I'm so happy for my friend. Just bought this car, Maserati Quattroporte. Yep. What a beautiful car. What an absolutely beautiful car. Stunning looking car. A big limo with frameless doors. Can you believe it? So nice. And this is not the V6. This is the V8. The GTS 3.8 turbo. Super. So damn happy for him. Stunning car. Oh, lovely Italian leather. Look at the emboss. Oh, the smell of Italian leather. The genuine wood grain. What a beauty. What a beauty. Everywhere is leather wrap. Okay, these are not, you know, it's really nice. Look at the pedals. Whoa, solid metal. Powered visors. Look at that. And it's so spacious. Beautiful car. Initially, he was thinking of getting the G12 7 Series as used prices has come down. So I was like, bro, you already have a G30 facelift, you have an X5, you have an E39 BMW. You want another BMW? Get something different, right? And look at this car. Look at this Maserati Quattroporte. And he was so happy now. He is so happy. Yeah, of course, the maintenance, the perceived maintenance is definitely going to be higher, but we don't live to die, right? We live to enjoy. That's the whole point, right? If everything we do is about getting the best deal, saving the most money, then nobody ought to be, you know, paragliding, playing golf, you know, go for holidays even, because all these are burning off your cash, right? These are on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Look at the caliper. What a gorgeous car. What a gorgeous car. Lovely, lovely. Can't wait to drive it, if I may. There's the doors are unlocked. Let me try and open the boot. Should be here. Is that the boot release? There we go. Oh, very light, counterweight. Oh, it doesn't have the I mean, this is an old car. It doesn't have the powered boot option, but it's a swan neck that is extremely light because of the counterweight going on. The boot is massive, absolutely massive, and the opening goes all the way up here. The rubbers are all fresh, very nice. Super Quattroporte. Yeah. Beautiful. What a beauty. What a beauty. What a beauty. I want a Maserati. I always have a soft spot for Maseratis. This one with Bowers and Wilkins. Look at the wood grain. It's so beautiful. Open pore wood grain. Yeah, of course, the leather aged a little bit, you know, just need to touch up some of the stuffs, but other than that, hey, it's a lovely car. Lovely, lovely. Yep. Beautiful. Yep, congrats for getting a wonderful deal. Brand new, this car in Malaysia back then is 1.1 million. And now he's getting it for... You make a guess. The 3-liter V6 is selling for 200 over 1,000. This is the 3.8 V8 twin turbo. Yeah. Ta-da! Ta-da! Wow! Wow, the moment. Okay, pretty mild.
But yeah, the press
put in sport mode now.
Oh, okay.
But your cold start is very loud.
Yeah. You all did the cold start already, right? Just now? Yeah, lor.
Oh yeah, and did the full tank for you already.
Oh, thank you.
Full yo.
Pump full tank
95, 97 also can.
Can.
Wow, can sit so low eh. I love it eh. Full.
So this one, is it yours?
His one? Yeah, Gary's
It's
one.
mine.
Yeah.
I bought the Wilkins sound system some more.
Yeah, man.
This one is column one mounted.
Steering wheel also fixed already, no sound already.
Sorry, yeah.
Wow, bro, I feel rich.
Last time the tire haven't changed, so have to be careful while driving. Now change already.
Okay.
I found the current model, the double screen.
Oh,
4,900.
serious.
This is original. This is original. No, this is aftermarket.
No,
Which one?
this is original. That's why the original
Original.
first generation looks Chrysler one.
Wow, then you can change it lah.
Change it,
Fuck
looks
it
like
lah.
shit.
Apple CarPlay.
This one looks like shit, nothing.
Yeah, wait.
Daniel say he can put Apple CarPlay in, but I said still look like shit. What they say.
Yeah.
I said I change the whole thing.
But he's gonna change the whole panel.
Yeah, it's
Updated one lah.
updated one, 2 screen. That means without this video,
How much?
4,009.
Okay. 4,000 plus.
It's the original one also like that, not updated one, but a little bit different only lah. But all the function is
Oh my god, this is. Oh my god.
this is Chrysler.
Oh
This is
dear.
the one pulling it down lah.
Yeah lor.
Without this, once fixed that one, nice already.
Okay lah. Italian, we don't depend on Italian when
This
it comes to
Chrysler, this one Chrysler.
when it comes to screen and stuff. We don't depend on Italian lah.
This one they source from Chrysler.
Oh, aircon boleh. The clock is nice. Even the time on the clock is adjusted. Awesome, bro. Thank you so much.
You've gotten all the original documents already, right?
Yes.
The spare key also,
Yes.
original key also here.
Yeah.
Alright, so everything
Okay.
already.
So I just want to thank my friend for working hard. You know, work so hard to buy a car for me to enjoy. This is not something right to do, you know.
Yeah, ma, it's very ironic.
Uncle, you buy, I'm the first to drive. Eh.
Because of you, ma, only I bought
It's
this
like,
car.
bro, I just got a new girlfriend. Tonight you free. I send her to your room. What the hell? Italian chick. Alright,
Drive carefully,
okay, thank you.
rear wheel drive.
Okay.
6.
Drive carefully, rear wheel drive. I'm Bobby Ang wo.
6 liter, 我呢個 3.8 啫嘛。
Alright. Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
Shifter is a bit funny.
Oh, Chrysler 嘅嘢咯，一定係 Chrysler 嘅嘢，唔使講。哇！哦，his 佢嘅 phone。呢個係 N，
呢個 M，
哦，
好 funny 嘅呢個。
哦呢個我。
呢個咁樣嘅 style，所以呢個係 N， 呢個係 neutral。It's there lah, it's there. The sound is there.
Hey, for a turbocharged car. Wow.
Now I just need to 搞掂 this part.
Yeah, that one not difficult lah. Not difficult to do lah. Yeah lah, just the
你可
leather.
以攔咗。
係咯。you know Desmond？嗰個做 auto foam 㗎。啊。he know a 師傅啊，damn 勁 one do this thing. Yeah, he knows a 師傅 that does this very 勁 one. So you can go to him. He can solve a lot of issue one. He can solve wiring issue, then weird sounds in your car.
Suddenly we forgot about this car.
冇啦冇啦
Still
that one
nice.
still
Damn nice.
fucking nice ah. Hey, where should we go? Left, right? 我睇下先啊。
Let me see.
Yeah.
Open my.
It's okay, it's okay. I have.
I
I think can use SPE. Since we're here.
totally dependent on race up. So
Oh.
you ask me manually like that, I don't know.
I think can use SPE.
It's real wood.
Oh, real. Definitely real. Definitely real.
This one the leather also not bad.
喇叭嚟啊，喇叭嚟，喇叭嚟，冇保養啊，佢冇擠 leather conditioner
嗰個 Daniel 好勁嘅，嗰個 prefer 呢個。
衰。
Waiting for.
Wow. I like cars where the pickup of speed, right, correlates with the rev.
Yes.
You know, like all the 4-liter Porsche turbo, Mercedes C63 lah, Audi RS6 lah, those they pull too strong, right? Before your rev come up,
Already pulled.
already like crazy fast already.
Yeah. No chance of it.
This one it gels together,
Correct.
Mm.
No regret.
Bro, so nice.
Looks like this one getting run so modified.
Okay,
Just for the sound.
later you drive, I don't think you will continue run this car
Okay.
because they made it very,
Business like.
yes, very comfortable, very stable. Even though I believe the chassis definitely can
That, no point.
not no point lah. I don't know how to put it, but
More suitable for
it feels very
business like.
mm.
But with a bit of loveliness. Song there. Power is there.
Siok eh. Different type of thing compared to your it doesn't give you the feel you want to rump it.
Yes.
Yeah, but it can. Okay, I know what it feels like. It feels like M5 E63. It feels like those really strong, thick engine.
Thick and But here I have a very small displacement V8, 3.8.
Okay lah, 細少少啦 3.8 V8. Ooh, speed bump. Ooh, not bad. Suspension.
Suspension not bad.
有嘅。哇，幾靚個聲。
Same.
哦。
Suspension is good. Very comfortable this car. Makes me think, do I even need the Alphard?
Different thing ah.
Even think lah. My baby will vomit milk lah.
How do I go SPE from here? Aiyo. Ask me to go out Jalan Tun Razak. I want to go up SPE. There must be a way to go up man. Don't know how lah.
你叫咩啊？你嘅condo？
I also search my condo same thing Oh fuck! My Sing, my waist, my Google Map is avoid toll, fucker. Why?
而家你
爸 B
應該係turn left 嘅 in front 係咪？
哇！
唔知啊，我先睇打隻沙啦，我唔記得咗個
哎 shit. I want to go SPE. Oh well, never mind. Yeah.
This is a very comfortable car.
It's a big car, bro.
It's a big car.
Oh.
啱我哋嘅咁樣嘅 size。
係咯。For our size is okay. Yeah.
We step out of this car.
Yeah. Wow, congrats! So happy for you,
So
bro.
an M5 F10 or this one? 梗係this one 啦，
Yeah, man.
Anytime.
I mean, you know the thing with German cars, of course, the fit and finish, everything will be slightly better than Italian lah. That one expected already,
That's
man.
what I feel.
Right? Oh,
It's the aura.
the aura, right?
Oh.
Oh. The aircon cold eh.
Cool leh. Comfortable, the size, wow, look at the size, that's suitable for me. That's suitable for me.
Big, right? Compared to
Big.
your...
Compared to my 5 Series G30, now looks like that one is like a 3 Series.
Yeah.
This is big.
Yeah.
Quattroporte.
And there's something about this type of design. Like, it's the more... I don't know how to put it. There's more class to the design.
Correct, a lot of materials there.
Leather,
Có đi
wood.
có quần cho có modern one à.
Boy, it should look really good. Yeah.
Then the fella send me.
Phew. Sound.
Every step, they also got sound. Are you a sport mode?
Yeah. But comfortable also.
Comfortable also.
Yeah, lor. That means you need other potency for modification. Oh, I love the deep purple.
So it's totally different thing with the Audi.
Totally different.
Different feeling.
Totally different. This feels more like my RS6.
Yes, yes.
Ah.
嗰個 V6 都仲有佢嘅 difference， 好大嘅唔同嘅感覺。
That car gives you that edgy feeling that you want to repeat. This one more regal. Yeah, the way it rides, very regal.
So I'm heading straight to the V-Cool later.
Oh, okay. No tinting man now?
No, but doesn't feel hot, huh?
Oh, no? Yeah, no tinting, oh.
Doesn't feel hot,
Maybe I didn't drive there.
Oh, maybe.
Very nice. The headliner, very nice. For new PS4S also.
如果佢嘅底好殘嘅，所以 doesn't do justice 啦。I got to drive out, take the photo, drive out like shit like that. The tire.
Steering wheel is huge.
Huge, yes.
Actually, for luxury car, right? I mean, spacious ones small car, then steering no need so big. When your steering is big, right, you will realize that when you drive long distance, right, you can rest your arms, and you can reach the steering wheel. The small ones, sporty ones, you need to hold it all the time.
Exactly.
Yeah, when you put your arms on the armrest, you cannot reach it when they are too small. So nice.
Later 有多少黑咗嘅鏡 doesn't feel the heat.
The glass is tinted itself. Yeah.
So if I put the V-Cool, it will be best.
Sweet bro.
Sweet lah, this is the best 200K. 1.14 million. And it does feel that 1.14 million, right?
Yeah.
Everything is different from that. That's why Prakash, your friend, keep on texting me. No lah, bro. Buy the 7 Series. I just bought one. You will regret buy this one. I said, bro, you even want now? I said, no, bro, yet. You know, always sells a BMW lah. I know you BMW salesman. G30, G12 again for what?
Yeah,
different, bro, different.
Yeah.
They got different. I said, bigger, longer, lor.
Yeah.
Everything is the same one.
Same shit.
Same shit. The leather is the same.
So nice.
This one, this class, that's real wood.
Nice.
呢個換咗就嚟。
Oh, a deep sound.
It's a sound lah.
Yeah, we. Oh, this one if I put some mic at the boot there, record the exhaust sound. Oh.
Yeah, most of them do the Maserati GTS video, they do there.
Yeah. So nice.
Meter gauge, set gauge song. But it's in mileage lah, it's in MPH lah. 如果響 KMH 就350嘅啫嘛。如果係 KMH 係350，this is MPH.
Oh, this miles.
So I was like, why not in KMH?
Yeah, you got excuse ma when you speed, police stop you. Sorry, saya jalan 100 saja ma tadi.
Then check lah, mileage 60,000. Say it match the ECU lah. ECU also 60,000.
Jalan Sultan Ismail, right side. No, I'll go here. I cannot go SPE anymore. I have already reached the Bulatan. Last time the Bulatan. So.
This kind of car, the first owner will
Fucker, this
take care
Hilux,
one.
G-Bye.
Sound. No seafood. I ask you to drive, I will never have a chance to sit as a passenger again.
Oh, true also.
I want to test as a passenger how nice the car.
Yeah.
Okay, well, wife will be impressed. 才220万啊！才20万哦，比我的50更便宜啊！
But I have to do this. Don't let her see this first.
She's confinement 1 month, so she
Oh, okay,
cannot
okay.
come down.
Oh, you got 1 month to chop all this thing.
It's up the internal, then external pay.
Yeah. But the pedals, solid metal, feels cold to the touch. So nice.
And it's mounted to the column. It's not follow the steering wheel.
Yeah.
But I prefer following the steering wheel. This one is like, imagine.
Yeah. Me too, but if it's big enough, I'm fine.
It's fine.
Yeah. I don't like pedal shifter tiny behind. I really don't like it.
Tiny.
Yeah. Has to be big, ma. Oh, what a lovely car, man. That's the difference with German car. Got character. Yeah, the car got character.
Italians are Italian.
Yeah.
Quattroporte.
Yeah, no, I mean, nobody buys Ferrari for quality interior, ma.
Nope.
Their interior also, you know,
Yeah.
not.
Everybody expected it really.
Yeah,
Just an engine sound.
yeah. Sound of the engine.
This kind of sound is not like the S5. This one is for like very elegant sound. I'm expensive. Look
Yeah,
at me.
yeah.
That kind of stuff.
It's like I speak to you with a deep tone.
Yeah, deep tone, the sexy deep
Yeah,
tone.
but I didn't shout.
Yeah.
But you know, if I shout.
You know I mean business.
Yeah.
I don't need to
Shout.
I
Yeah.
can be firm
Yeah.
and big.
Yes.
That's why I like that I tested the head.
Oh, you test drive already lah.
I test drive.
Okay, I don't feel so bad.
I test drive already.
Oh, okay,
Sure,
I don't
test
feel so
drive
bad. I thought you haven't driven the car.
Sure,
You
test
let me
drive
drive.
already. Test drive already. 梗係有 test drive 冇 test drive 咩 can resist 咩？
Oh,
你到
true.
呢度仲唔愛 test drive 就買咩？梗係 test drive 咗咁有聲先。真係聽你嗰邊啱講一句我就買咩？自己都冇揸過。But I saw the video lah. The video damn good. This kind of sound.
Yeah.
This sound my audio plastic.
Yeah lah. So nice.
Yeah, I'm comfortable. Very low profile also.
Yeah. I like the suspension, the ride quality. It's very nice. And it's not some stupid air suspension one, right? Just adaptive. Yeah,
It's all coil.
so good.
No, ZF 8-speed. So very reliable.
Wow, how I wish my RS6 now with the aftermarket coil adjustable, right? How I wish it rides like that.
This is better.
Better. That one, my one is still hard, still considered very stiff. Of course, I can slowly tune it until the one I want lah. Just that you need to send the car back lor.
Time.
But Prestige very good lah. They pick up the car and do the changes for me. And they don't charge it.
That day he did the third party inspection 都未得閒 charge 我啊，明啊？
係啦，好忙啊，好忙。
嗰陣時我過年嘛，唔得閒啊 bro，it's okay，等我得閒先。
哇！
濕碎，
我扭係200千啊，仆街啊
！200千我真係
俾撚到。
真係俾撚到，真係你啦！
哇！you go and see my Porsche, all in I already spent 200k cash already. The car, everything.
Different.
Oh, this is so nice. But I expected lah, all the small plastic stuff. You know, over time Italian means Italian. It's,
not
the
expensive.
interior is not Audi build quality.
It's not built to
You
last.
just have to know what you're expecting.
Exactly.
But then,
1.14得到200千，仲可以 complain 呢啲 plastic 嘢咩？
係咯。
Still in place also very good already. 呢啲 easy fix 嘅。
And then, me and Cass, we have a soft spot for the Maserati brand.
Logo especially.
Yes, I love the Maserati brand. I love it, and I love speaking Maserati.
If you
You know.
recommend to me, I have no idea I can get this car at this price.
That's why people watch our Monday live show.
Yeah, because 我睇有時有睇下呢咁嘅500、700，仲係賣緊係2021700幾 V6 啊，500幾係2018啊，又係 V6 啦，呢度 V8 啊。
So nice. Oh, I'm so happy for you. So happy.
Thank you. Thanks for your recommendation.
But I love the previous gen Quattroporte.
I know which
That
one
one-
you're talking about. That sound isn't better.
I love the design. That one is
The design.
pure Italian design.
Yes. The
Yeah.
front
Yeah.
The front. 不過冇咁大堂。
冇咁大。
I think just the right size.
But some cars over means over already lah.
你睇到你得啦，係睇到你得。
No, I like the design. It's just that it doesn't serve a purpose for me now to get that car.
No.
You know, I have my RS6, I have my
Yeah,
Aston.
that's the
You know, so 呀咯，過咗啦，冇變啦。
廿一千極講啦。And then it's cheap. The tire 1599. Hey, come on, man! I paid for my freaking X5 also 1499 already. Also 21 lah. Because I changed to 21 lah. But the stupid 4-porter, they changed 21, so what? It served me well lah for 4 years. Now it's time to retire it. To send it for rental or my time.
No, I need to rush to BJ. Then I hope I can finish my meeting and come back in time to go and pick up my kids. Yeah.
对，然后找东西绑回去就 OK 了。
My Porsche tail lamps falling off.
Okay, here that's Magnum's voice.
Yeah.
I know him when he was in Remery a
Oh.
few years ago.
That time Sungai Besi is in charge by Keith.
Yeah.
And then before Keith is Awa. Awa now in charge of the BJ outlet.
But all their managers all very good. Okay.
Very good. Because the
They
boss
have
is good.
Yeah, the
That's the
boss
thing.
put the right
I
culture.
talked to Toa. The way he conduct himself, he never speak a bad word about any competitors.
Exactly.
Never.
He never show his own opinion or whatever.
Yeah,
Very professional, very business.
Yes. 抵佢成功啊！
做好人嗰個，愛做人咪壞人咯，請係講人哋。
哇，bro！ Huh?
Brakes okay 哦。
Okay. The brakes are okay. But of course now, after I experience my RS6, the brakes failing not failing, overheated. I thought my brakes are carbon 嘛，係咪？咁我咪踩到盡咯。點知 the fluid and the line cannot take it. So now all of my cars, right, steel braided hose. 我全部車都 steel braided hose with the .5 fluid. Yeah, all my cars I do that, just to be safe So it's something that I will do. 2000零蚊做咩唔做？係咪？個 brake line 全部換去鐵嘅，你換.5 oil. Then, the time I organized an Audi RS drive so all RS model, So Chi Yang and HP there take video at Tri Station The moment we flag off, I realized highlight. The moment we flag off, all RS right? Bam! My camera crew how to take video.
So fast.
Cannot catch up with all of them how to take their photo and video. So I like shit already. So after they all flag off, then only I turned out from Tri Station. Then I was driving so fast, I overtook all of them at Karak. I turned up Genting. Genting, once we turn up, there's a place to stop one, right? I stopped there, take out my phone, ngam the first car passed by. So I wait for all of them to pass by, so I managed to catch their footage, right? Then I also overtake all of them, going Genting. I overtook all of them to reach Petron. To reach Petron there. Then I take out my phone and then wait for them to come. But the time when I was about to reach Petron, I brake. Say, wow, fuck, with mushy already. My whole brake pedal. Yeah, overcooked my brake fluids. Yeah.
呢個我 check 過去講佢個 brake pad，你 cheap 啲喎，講唔知1000 plus front 2000 plus at the back one pair。
Okay 啦 ，reasonable 啦。
cheaper than the S5。
Oh really 啊
Yeah, cheaper than my S5。
哦。
嗰個 S5 換咗係嗰個乜鬼 RS5 brakes 啊。
啊。
嗰個 his 嗰隻 brake pad 貴嘢。
Oh. My RS6 brake pads are very expensive.
我嘅係3-4千蚊啊。I mean, it's not that expensive, but this is only 2000.
我呢個 brake pad 3-4千蚊啊。
One pair 咯。
The S5 啊。
S5 咯，如果係我換咗 RS 嘅嗰個罩嘛。
哦，係咯，咁我同我一樣啊，應該係係咯。
係 RS 嘅。
我嘅係 carbon 嘅 brake pad 嘛。
我唔係 carbon 啊，係 RS 嘅 claw 嚟嘅。
哦，no wonder。